Hi people, let's unbox my Temu order together. So guys, I ordered for a total of 20 items. So the first item is this bag. Guys, look at the picture. This is actually what I ordered versus what I got. So I'm going to rate this a 1/10 because the bag is so ridiculous. Even children can't even use it. It's that bad. So the next thing I ordered was this cupcake, this silicone cupcake. Yes, and it's actually what I ordered and I'm impressed with it. So I'll rate it a 8/10. You can see from the picture it's exactly what I ordered. So the next item is this my artificial flower. Yes, it's exactly the size and it's good, so it's a 7/10. This nail, I'm going to rate it a 5/10. And this my apron as well, I'll be rating it a 5/10 because I like the texture and I like the color. But you see this mascara, I'm going to rate it a 1/10. Guys, this is rubbish. This mascara is nonsense. And the next item is this my earring. Guys, you'll be wondering that I ordered green items. Yes guys, I actually had a green dress that I wanted to use for a birthday photo shoot, but I was disappointed because the bag was a 0. So the next item is my nano tape. Yes guys, I ordered it and so far I wouldn't say it's good, so I'll rate it a 3/10. And this my facial mask. Yes, I have to soak it myself, so it's not bad. I'll rate it a 4/10. Yes guys, and the next item is my arm trimmer. Guys, I've not even started using this. The only thing I've used is my bodysuit and I would say it's not bad. So but this arm trainer, I'm going to rate it a 6/10. You see this purse, I'm rating it 1/10 because I saw the measurement before anybody will come for me and say, didn't you read the description? Guys, I didn't expect it to be that small, so I'll rate it a 2/10. You see this whisk is not bad at all. I'll rate it a 5/10. You see this speaker, they indicated mini, so I'm not even disappointed. That's what I ordered and I'll rate it a 7/10. But you see this bread mold, guys, look at the picture now. This is just like a cupcake, but the picture, it looks bigger and I am so disappointed. So I rate it a 1/10. You see this waffle maker, I'm not really disappointed, so I'll rate it a 6/10. You see this trainer, I'll rate it a 4/10 because it's what I ordered. But you see this ice cream scoop, I'm going to rate it a freaking 9/10 because it's strong and it looks exactly like what I ordered. You see my tongue scraper, I also rate it a 8/10 because it's actually what I ordered that I got. You see this my body shaper too, it's not bad. So thank you Temu for this body shaper. The price, I don't want to say anything about that, but the texture and I would say it's not bad, so I'll rate it a 6/10. Guys, leave it down, drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what your experience with Temu has been so far. Until next time, I love you all. Bye.